Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1036, and today's topic is that is in continuation of manufacture of perfume, that is part 10, and today I am going to discuss the cloning of perfume. There are a lot of international French perfumes are available, very costly. In Nigeria, their cost maybe 50 ml or 100 ml, very close to 1 million naira, 800,000, 700,000, 500,000 naira. So it is almost impossible for poor man to afford. They cannot afford to buy 50 ml or 100 ml in 800,000 naira. It may be someone's 4 or 5 months salary. So people have started internationally to make the cologne of those synthetic French perfumery. And actually at the moment I call it is coloning war. Just like war, it is going on. Many people are involved in cloning of these perfumes. I am not going to give for every perfume to cologne, but I will just give 2 examples. The one which is called cool water, or sometimes David cool water, is also one of the very costly, and it is having very good sweet mint, green, fresh type of fragrance resulting, is a very popular nowadays. That is commonly called cool water men also. So how to cologne the cool water? The one which cost maybe 400,000-500,000 naira, you can prepare within maybe 5,000-6,000 naira by manufacturing yourself. But once you are successful in manufacturing, it doesn't mean that you just go and sell in the name of cool water. It's illegal. And the second one, I will give you some coloning of sandalwood perfume, how it is cologne, and then I will give you some important French perfumes which are having global reputation as a mark of luxury. They are known as luxurious item in all your international markets, showrooms, they are available. So here the best colognes of some perfumes. Number 1 is that is coloning of cool water, that is also called David cool water for men. If you want to prepare it, you just take 25 ml perfumers alcohol, that is ethyl alcohol, very simple. Into it you add that is 0.05 ml or 2 drop of Galaxolide. Galaxolide is having very pleasant musky, woody fragrance. So it is this one is having very important role here. Then that you can add 555 ml, means you can say it is 500 milligram if you are going by weight, but if you are going by volume, it is 0, not only that is 50 milligram, because it is 0.05 ml means 50 milligram. And actually my experience is just you put 2 drop of that Galaxolide will be enough, 2 or 3 drops, because it is having very sharp fragrance. Then second one is coumarin, 350 milligram. Then citronellol, that is 0.5 ml, that is 500 milligram. Then dihydromercinol, commonly known as DHM, is 0.35 ml or 350 milligram. Then rosemary oil is a very beautiful flower, very good smell, fragrance, 0.05 ml, that is 250 milligram. And coriander oil is 0.15 ml. It is also having very sharp smell, 150 milligram. It is very costly also. And this coriander oil in Indian language is called dhania, and here in local language exactly I don't know the name, but it is coriander oil in English. It is well known. So once you mix all these ingredients thoroughly, keep it for few hours, your David cool water is ready for use. And then the second one, that is cologning of sandalwood perfume. How to get a sandalwood perfume? So in that case, first you take sandila, 30 ml. It is a very thick substance, just like glassy mass, semi-solid. That is called sandila. You take 30 ml, or you can say 300 milligram. If you go by weight, you can take 300 milligram SMC. That SMC means it is standard manufacturing company. Standard manufacturing company, and they sell perfume chemicals. So any perfume chemical from them, just take 10 ml. That is perfume chemical. And then number 3, it is McDonald, 10 ml. Sandalwood oil, 10 ml. Then Cedramber, Cedramber, 6 ml. And Ibona, 5 ml. So these 6 ingredients, if you mix properly and keep it to develop for few hours, you will get sandalwood, very good cologne fragrance. So I have already mentioned that globally there is, I call it cloning war. I mean, there are many people who are involved to clone very, very expensive French perfumery, and some I have given here, which are available in Nigeria, and they are available in some reputed malls and some very, very expensive shops where all the expensive materials are available, perfumery materials or perfume shops. So these are all I am giving you. First one, that is called Creed Aventus. This Creed Aventus French spray, its original cost is 246,000 naira per 100 ml. It's a very, very costly. Number 2, Tom Ford. Tom Ford is naira 75,000 per 100 ml. Then Roja do Musk. Roja do Musk is really very costly, and it is 500,000 naira per 100 ml. Then Suez is 125,000 naira per ml. Then Blue D Channel that blue D channel, it costs near 300,000 per ml. Actually, this I have got all these prices by literature survey. I went to some online marketing and I checked their prices, because all these perfumes, their colognes are available cheaply, but the original ones from the branded company, these are all the prices. So that is Blue D channel 300,000 naira per 100 ml. Havas is 20,000 naira per 40 ml. Then Bombshell Victoria. So Bombshell Victoria is 20,000 naira per 50 ml. Those which are 50-40 mls, it can be cross-checked, because sometimes they also may be 100 ml. And then by number 212 men. Under 212 there are different type of 212 for men, for women, for other. So I have taken this 212 men, that is Boadicea, but branded name is 212 men, and this is the costliest one. It costs 730,000 naira per 100 ml. Then Lacosta White for men. Lacosta White for men is 20,000 naira for 50 ml. Then Black Orchid. Black Orchid means it is naira 176,000 per 100 ml. That is your Black Orchid. Then number 10, Aqua Digio. AQADIGIO. Aqua Digio. It costs naira 98,000 per 100 ml. Then 11 is Bulgari Aqua. It is available in packing of 100 ml for 42,000 naira. Then Tom Ford, other Tom Ford one, it was simple Tom Ford, and this is Tom Ford specific leather. That is especially men they are purchasing. It is 10,000 naira for 100 ml. And the cool water, or David cool water, I did not tell the price. It is also one of the very costly, and wood also very costly. They are all in the range of 300 to 400,000 naira per 100 ml. So they are the world of perfumery, and where hundreds of thousands of people are involved in coloning of these perfumes, so that they can bring these perfumes in that branded name. But I call it legally, it is wrong. You are stealing somebody's brand, and this is my request. That's why I have given only coloning of 2 perfumes. I am not going to give coloning of all these. I think if you check, it may be available. So this is all about your perfume industry, means modern perfume industry of 21st century. And I am again requesting all the chemistry graduates that this area of perfumery is very lucrative business, and if you can develop the skill of creating unique or new fragrance by blending, that is called accord. So if you can get skill or experience smart in blending and according, you can earn very good name, and of course you will get good income. So with this I will stop. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.